Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Space Squirrel does in Grow a Garden. So I actually have two, so if anyone would like to trade with me, I would like a cockatrice because I haven't gotten that one yet, or a swan. I know it's probably not the best offer, but if you don't have it yet, I need that. Either a cockatrice or a swan. So yeah, I will talk to you about this. Every 17 minutes, the Space Squirrel will give a void touch mutation, but there's only a 15% chance for it to give the void touched mutation. Again, I got two, so I can give one or trade one. I'm willing to trade one actually, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.